Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start exercise 7.2. Before that, let me explain you few things. First of all, you have to learn types of fractions. Okay? So, there are 5 types of fractions as you can see here. Number 1 is like fractions. Number 2 is unlike fractions. Number 3 is unit fractions. Number 4 is proper fraction. And number 5 is improper fraction. Now come to like fractions. Fractions that have same denominators are called the like fractions. Okay? I am repeating it again. Fractions that have same denominators are called the like fractions. As you can see here, one square is given and it is divided into 4 small squares and only one square is shaded. So we write it as 1 by 4. Again you can see in this square 4 squares are there. It is divided into 4 squares and it is and its 2 parts are shaded. So it is known as 2 by 4 and so on 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Okay. So we see that 1 by 4, comma 2 by 4, comma 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 all have the same denominators. So these are the like fractions. So fractions that have same denominators are called the like fractions. Now come to unlike fractions. It is just opposite to the like fractions. Fractions that have different denominators are called the unlike fractions. Okay? As you can see here, 1 by 4, 3 by 9, 5 by 8 and 11 by 20 all have different denominators. These are called the unlike fractions. Okay? Now come to unit fractions. A fraction that has 1 in the numerator is called a unit fraction. I repeat, a fraction that has 1 in the numerator is called a unit fraction. As you can see here clearly, fractions are there 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 8 and 1 by 11. What is common in all these fractions? All the numerators are 1. Okay. Now come to proper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. As you can see here, 2 by 5, 7 by 11, 1 by 8, 9 by 15, 3 by 7. Okay? In these fractions you can see that numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay? 2 is numerator here and 5 is denominator here. So 2 is smaller than 5. That means numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay? As you can see here in the box it is given, remember all the unit fractions are proper fractions. Okay? So what is proper fraction? The fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Now come to improper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. As you can see, the fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Means, as you can see, numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Okay? So this type of fraction is known as improper fraction. Now let us move to next page. Now comparing like fractions. You all know what is like fractions. Again I am repeating. Fractions that have same denominators are called the like fractions. Okay? So the question is comparing like fractions. Okay? It is very simple. We have already learned how to compare numbers. I think you all know how to compare the numbers. Number means whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can compare fraction also. We know that in like fractions the denominators are the same. So we compare only the numerator. So as you all know in like fractions denominators are same. So we compare only the numerators. Okay? If numerator is greater, the fraction is greater. If numerator is smaller, the fraction is smaller. Now let us see this. While comparing like fractions, the greater the numerator, the greater is the fraction. Whenever the numerator is greater, that fraction will be greater. Now let us compare 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. As you can see clearly 4 by 7 and 3 by 7 are like fractions because they both have same denominators. So for comparing these fractions, we have to compare their numerators. So as you can see, 4 is greater than 3. Numerator 4 is greater than numerator 3. So 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Okay, as you can see in example 2 also, compare 4 by 11 and 9 by 11. Denominators are same. So we compare the numerators. Numerator 9 is greater than 4. So we can write 9 by 11 is greater than 4 by 11. Okay. Now ordering like fractions. It is very easy. As you can see the question, arrange the given fractions in ascending and descending order. Ascending means you know from smaller to bigger, and descending means from bigger to smaller. So first of all, the question, you have to read the question, and then according to question you have to proceed. As you can see, in all the fractions, denominators are same. That means these all fractions are like fractions. Okay. So what we will do first, we will arrange the numerator first, as you can see here, from ascending to descending. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. Now what we will do, the fractions in ascending order are 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 and 9 by 7. So it is arranged, these fractions are arranged in ascending order, okay, by looking the numerators. Now arrange the numerator from the largest to the smallest. Arranging the numerators in descending order we get. Now when we arrange these fractions in ascending order, first we arrange their numerators in descending order. Okay, descending means from the largest to the smallest. So our numerators are like this: 9, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. So our fractions will be 9 by 7, 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7 and 1 by 7. Okay. So now it is set in descending order. So my dear students, you have to complete exercise 7.2 by your own. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.